Hello everyone, this is my village. I love my village so much. This is a village in Bangladesh, Rajshahi Division, Pabna Jilla, Atkhoriya Upazila, and the village name is Beruan. This is my village home. Here I live here. Today I am introducing my village to all of you. I am creating this video with my mobile phone, which is created by Samsung, and operating system is Android. You can look on the field. I'm taking the video. Now I am standing under a mango tree, which is mine, and this is my place. You can look on the sky. The sky is cloudy today, and the sunshine is not very stunning, but it is hot here, and I am walking to the border of a drain, which is of a deep tube well, and which serves water to the agricultural land. You can see the land here, and there is, you can look some trees small different from me, and it is our village, and there are some houses. My neighbors lives there, and you can look on the sky, which is shining but not so clear today. Here you can see a banana tree, and you can see a banana group of banana which is not ripen yet, green, and it will leaf soon, I think. And there are some small banana trees, and actually my village home is so comfortable, and I love it so much. And you can see the trees where leaves are blowing by wind, and when it is extreme hot here, you can feel comfort when you are walking under those trees. And you can look on the cloud, which is seems white. It's rainy season here, and it rain now and then. Most of the time, every day there is rain, 3 or 4 times or more. But this season the rains are not so heavy, and my area is the upper part of country. That means my village and my living area is far defined from sea or rivers, so it's never flooded, and I have not seen any flood in my area yet. And that's good, because when the lower part of our country is flooded, the people suffer so much. and it was 20, and now I am moving my camera to, you can see a pond here, and this pond is mine, and there are some fishes, and you can see a vegetable which is grown in water, paved land. It's so cheap here, but the vegetables are tasty. I eat most of the time. And you can see some trees. The trees are mango tree. There are many mangoes in our tree this year, but all of them has ripened and we have picked out them. And you can see a tree looks big. It is berry tea. There is not so much berry in this year, and some berry has grown, and we have picked out them. And you can see another area which is under the cloud, and the area is covered with ponds, and there are many fishes, and the ponds are owned by my villagers, and there are many fishes, and the owners make every year so much money from selling by selling the fishes, and it's their business here. And my villagers has poultry farm, where they are where they have many layer hens and cows. It's village area, so most of the peoples depend on agriculture or on cultivating crops or uh, or by animals, seems cow, goats, hens, etc. And now you can see I'm getting this video, but there is no so stunning sceneries, but I think those are good. And you can see all around here green, and green is called the eye of doctor. And when I am living in my village home, most of the time I am walking this ponds border and this drain. It's so comfortable here when it's stunning sun, the shining sun and hot. I feel comfort when I move. I feel comfort then walking this area. It's rainy season, that means summer, part of summer here, and it's hot. You may, I like so much the tea shadow in this time. But when it's winter here, you may not like the tea shadow, because then every people like the sunny area, and that time sun is not so hot, and the normal temperature of my uh, area in winter is 20 degree to 25 degrees Celsius, which is cold. And this is summer, and the normal temperature is more than 30 degree, 30 to 40. Most of the days the temperature are to 35 36 degrees Celsius. and it is so hot here, and I have brown hair, and I love this place because this is my born place, and the area is really comfortable, and most of the peoples have a affection to their born place because it's natural, and every people loves his born places. And you can see some trees here which are mango tree. I have described it before some time. Here are green grasses, and sometimes I cut out the grasses to my animals, for our animals, and we have one cow and 3 goats. I love our animals very much, and it is here, and you can see some trees, small trees, big trees. You can look on my village road, and it seems like field, but there is a road, and you can see a bicycle is moving on the road, and one person is going with his bicycle, which is most common vehicle in my area. And uh, you can see some trees looks big, and the trees are very tea. This tree is also mine, and you can see a small house, uh, a small house. It's not a living house, it's the deep tube well which serves water to the agricultural land, and it is running with electricity. And you can see a small piece of land here. There are some trees and green grasses. I move here. Here is a vegetable, but the vegetable has ripen, and it's not till now uh, for eaten. It says it is old. It is over old, and you can see also some banana trees here, and there is no banana in the trees, but I think banana will come soon on the big tree. You can see a coconut tea, and there is another tea with some fruits, and the fruits are and the fruits are uh, uh, is most common all over the world, and I don't have to say the name of this food because it's most common all over the world. And here is a small pond. Here is also a small pond. There are green grasses, and so it's sometimes there are some snakes here. uh, you may fear about the snakes, but actually I am not fear of the snakes because I am most familiar with them, and the snakes on these grasses are not so harmful. And you can see a small breeze. If I say it's small different from me, when it's rainy season and heavy rain, and this agricultural land is full of with water, and there are many fishes, many fishes, and sometimes I catch fishes with some instruments. And now I am going to end this video, and you may angry with my speaking, because my English speaking level is not so good, uh, not so good, because I am native with Bengali, and most of the peoples in our country speaks in Bengali. More over than 95% people speaks in Bengali, and English is our second language, and it's most commonly used in offices or written documents. uh, and sometimes people learn speak English to work with foreigners, and when they go to abroad for higher study or business purposes. And yeah, my speaking, there is no one with me, but I'm feeling shy sometimes because this is my first video I'm creating with English, and I know most of the words meaning, but I cannot take it mind to this time, because I'm feeling some shy, and I'm going to end this video. And there is, I have said it before, that there is not so much stunning sceneries here, but this is my village. I love it so much. And here are many green trees, leaves, grasses, and trees. Green is the eye of doctors, doctors of eye, and I like it. I'm going to end this video right now, and thanks to all of you to watch my video. And if you like to watch my video, you can share with your friends and subscribe my channel. I will create more videos in English if you inspired me, and I will make some useful video with my laptops, which are useful to work with your business or online marketing. It's And thanks to all once again to watch my video. Have a good day. Thank you.